How to hide caller ID on your phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a clever trick to hide the name of a caller on your phone. If you want to receive calls without the caller knowing that you're receiving them, this is the perfect solution for you. So if you want to hide a specific number, you need to go to that contact and simply insert a space in the name field. That's right, just hit the space bar. Now whenever that contact calls you, instead of seeing their name, your phone will display a blank space. No one will know who's calling. But wait, there's more. Here's another cool thing. This number won't show up in your contact list when you search for it either. If you want to find that contact again, you'll need to remember the number because it will appear as a blank entry. If you ever want to edit that contact again, you can easily go back and add the name whenever you choose. If you found this trick helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cool tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.